Colonial Williamsburg Foundation runs the historic area of Colonial Williamsburg. They also have educational outreach programs, and they have museums dealing with this time period when Colonial Williamsburg was the capital of Virginia.
You can be walking down the streets of Colonial Williamsburg and suddenly George Washington or Martha Washington may ride past you on their horses.
The most iconic feature for Williamsburg is the Williamsburg Inn. It is our 5-star property, and it's the only hotel in the Mid-Atlantic that the Queen of England has stayed in. Regaining the 5th star of the Williamsburg Inn was an incredible honor. NAVIS really helped us with that by making sure that the right agents got the phone calls and they got them in an appropriate amount of time.
To achieve the 5-star, that was just the best feeling ever because we worked really hard in the call center. Our jobs are not cut and dry. They're always changing, so you really have to be on top of everything that is being offered with the foundation.
Before NAVIS, I think my biggest assumption was that I knew why people were calling us. Now I'm able to quantify specifically within over a 90% accuracy what they're calling about.
Without NAVIS technology, I wouldn't be able to see what guests have called, listen to the calls that my agents have done to make sure that they're performing as they should. I wouldn't be able to follow up with guests that perhaps didn't book. We can see why they didn't, what we need to change, what we may need to restructure in our office.
One of the nice things about NAVIS implementation was the amount of people that were here on site. You had 1 or 2 people that could be looking at the software and making sure everything was going well there, but then you had 2 to 3 people that were out with the agents, actually jumping between agents and helping answer questions, and I think that was vital.
It took me 2 weeks to be comfortable with using the NAVIS system. Once you were able to take your training and put it to use out on the floor, I was able to see how the 2 parts were connected, and it made taking reservations and filling out lead forms a lot easier.
All of a sudden we had amazing statistics to really track what was really working and what wasn't working in our call center environment. We can tell that the call conversion has gone up almost 10% since we've been with NAVIS. We can tell that we're doing 8% of our sales via outbound.
It gives you a sense of accomplishment knowing that, hey, this is what I've done for our foundation today. I feel really good about it. It's just been a beneficial component for us all around.
Colonial Williamsburg is a unique destination entrenched in history. There's no other place like it.